Hey everyone, it's Matt with Whiskle Boys Outdoors. This weekend we are going to go hammock camping. It's supposed to be high of 52 during the day, low of 38 at night. We're going to cook up some venison, some onions, make some homemade bread in the Dutch oven over the campfire. Stick around and see how it goes. Okay, it's time to come to my racks here and get out what I need for this camping trip. I need a couple hammocks. I need a tarp. I need stick bags. My pillow. I need the bed mats. I need a couple chairs. Let's see. A couple of tables. Need pots and pans, utensils. We're gonna cook over a campfire tonight. It's only a high of 52 today and a low of like 42 tonight. So I do not think we're gonna need thermostats or bug spray. We'll just want some fire starters though. Take an extra blanket for Ronin. Get my camera gear, lantern, lights. We're gonna need the Dutch oven. We'll see how this goes tonight with Ronin. It's so cold out here, take extra blankets and stuff, but we'll see. I do really like this, how I set the racks up now. I can kind of just pick through what I need for gear and fill up my tote instead of having totes full of stuff and having to dig through them every single time that I want to go do something. So I think we got what we need there, and collect food and stuff like that, and be ready to go. Hi, Ronin and I found a camp spot for tonight and opened up here. But as you can see, we've got a lot of work to get done to get ready and a short amount of time. We'll see you in a bit. So since the last camping video, I did make a quick deployment ridgeline, but as you can see, we're kind of split here tonight, so I'm gonna have to do some more rigging to make it work correctly. Hey, we officially got tarp and hammock set up. We'll get our stuff loaded into them and then get back to work at firewood and stuff.
Mom, drink here. I have one for
Well, we got the site cleaned up pretty good. The temp's dropping. I think the storm's coming. It's time to get a fire going. We got inside the hammock set up. Got our lantern hung. Sleeping bags and everything in. Should be a nice cozy night. Ronin's working on campfire so we can cook. We'll see you soon. So we got the Dutch oven preheating for the bread. And we just threw Ronin's pizza on. Keep the pine needles off of it. We're gonna go put the cover on her and give her a few minutes, and then we will spin it. So right here I get a little pack of some shiitake mushrooms that I cut up and dehydrated that I grew out of logs, oak logs, in my own yard. I have not tried them yet. Tonight's going to be the first time. We're going to put some water in this pot, throw these in, rehydrate them, and hopefully they come out good. We will cut up some onion and make some mushrooms and onions go with the back strap and inner. starting to rain out a little bit more and more. I had to put the good camera away. Don't have an umbrella or anything with it. Bread is cooking away. I'll take a look at that. Oh, it's starting to look good. I think we're getting close. So time to get cooking.
Why is the fire not?
Okay, I think the bread's about done. Nice, golden, crispy outside. I can't wait to try this. I also forgot to tell you guys, I brought potatoes out, cut them into wedges, and I coated them in Dan-O's spicy. And we're gonna fry them up in some oil. Can't wait to see how those turn out.
Dad, can I put oil in?
I already put oil in.
Oh.
So bread is done. We got taters cooking. Ronan's cutting up onion, put with the venison. Kind of, somewhat. We'll see. Okay, we'll put her on. Ronan's gonna keep the pan level. And putting the onions on. Nope. Should go like that. Taters are frying. Bread is staying warm. And throw some venison in on top of that.
On this and that?
Just the onions.
No.
Got the venison on. Oh, it's gonna be good. Alright, we're gonna call the taters done. They look and smell delicious. Set those off to the side. And venison's cooking. I can't wait. So, Ronin likes the venison. Bread turned out pretty good. It's heavy bread, but it did turn out. You just gotta take the crust off. The taters with the Dan-O's spicy, that's pretty damn good too. Butter for the bread. Now, it'd stay a little too cold and it's not very spreadable. Ronan's got a good campfire going. It's nice and warm. Sit and relax a little bit after dinner here and head into the hammocks and cozy into our sleeping bags. Well, we got Ronin all tucked in, all nice and cozy, good sleeping bag, coats, blankets, everything over them. We've got hand warmers. It was a good night. We're all cozied in. We'll see you guys in the morning and see how the night goes.
Dad.
Well, it's 8:45 the next morning. I just got woke up from the phone ringing, but that's fine. It's pretty chilly out here yet this morning. Neither of us want to get out of the sleeping bags yet. Otherwise, we made almost the entire night, except little boy over here decided to wake me up in the middle of the night because he was cold, because he kicked his sleeping pad and under blanket and everything out of the cot onto the ground and had just his little blanket from inside the house trying to stay warm with it and was shivering. So he got up and put all of his stuff back and laid him back in it, threw some hand warmers in with him, and I think it was maybe like 3 minutes after that as he was out cold. So then I got back in. I was perfectly fine until I could feel just a little bit ago. Is like warm, but you could feel a little chill starting to come through my sleeping bag. But I got the 40 to 60 degree bag, while Ronan's got the 20 degree bag. All in all, I think it was a pretty good night. This is second time for me hammock camping. Ronan's first time hammock camping. I think it went pretty well, especially for, I think we got down, we were supposed to hit 38 last night. So, being that it got down that cold and second time doing this, and we don't have any special hammocks, I think we did pretty good. You gonna do it again, Ronan? Yeah. Well, at that I think we're gonna call this video a wrap. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications to see when new videos pop up. Let us know what hammocks we should be using, so I can save up for them and get them so we can stay nice and warm. Or if you guys think we should set up different, if I'm doing something wrong, let me know. So we're trying to learn. I did some research and figured out the quick response ridgeline, but I still got a long ways to go. See you guys later.